Hey everyone, welcome back to Mechanical Boost, where we make car care simple, fun, and rewarding. Today we're tackling something every car owner worries about: what happens when car's warranty expires. Don't panic, your car's warranty has expired. But that doesn't mean it's time to let your ride slow down. In this video, I'm dropping 5 secrets to help your car not just survive, but thrive long enough to hit that 400,000 mile mark. In fact, you can keep your car running like new with these secret tips. Ready? Let's dive in. Secret number 1, regular maintenance. First up, regular maintenance is non-negotiable. Regular car maintenance is the foundation of longevity. It's not just for new cars, it's essential for any vehicle. Follow the manufacturer's recommended service intervals like it's your car's Bible. This means timely oil changes, replacing filters, changing transmission fluid, and checking other fluids. Trust me, clean oil and filters are your car's best friends. They keep everything running smoothly and prevent costly breakdowns. Engine oil lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, and helps dissipate heat. Without regular oil changes, parts wear out faster, leading to costly repairs or engine failure. Clean oil means a happy engine. Change your oil as per the manufacturer's recommendations, typically every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, and use the correct oil grade. A dirty air filter restricts airflow, reducing engine efficiency and power. Replace it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or more frequently in dusty conditions. Secret number 2, pay attention to fluids. Fluids are the lifeblood of your car, and maintaining proper levels and quality ensures optimal performance. These fluids include coolant, transmission fluid, and brake fluid. Coolant prevents the engine from overheating in summer and freezing in winter. Old coolant can corrode internal components or form deposits that block passages. Flush and replace it every 2 to 3 years or as recommended. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture, reducing its effectiveness and potentially causing brake failure. It is recommended to change it every 2 to 3 years or according to your driving condition. Transmission fluid lubricates the transmission's internal components, ensuring smooth gear shifts. Follow the manufacturer's interval for replacing it, often every 30,000 to 60,000 miles for conventional transmissions, or as recommended by car's manufacturer. Secret number 3, catch problems early. Shh, your car is always talking to you. Strange noises, weird smells, don't ignore them. Catching small problems early saves big money later. See this? A small crack in a timing belt might not seem like a big deal, but if it snaps while you're on the road, it can damage your engine, leading to a costly repair. Let's take an example from a Honda Civic. If the serpentine belt wears out, it can cause the air conditioning, power steering, and alternator to stop working. Regular checks can catch this before it leaves you stranded. The same goes for tires. If your tires are unevenly worn, it might indicate alignment issues. Ignoring this can lead to poor handling and safety issues. Check your belts, hoses, and battery regularly. At least once a month, check your tire pressure, tread depth, and look for any unusual wear. Trust me, your wallet will thank you, and your car will last over 400,000 miles mark. Secret number 4, drive smart. Believe it or not, how you drive plays a massive role in your car's lifespan. Listen up. If you drive like you're in a Fast and Furious movie every day, your car will retire early. Avoid hard acceleration, sudden braking, and excessive idling. Smooth driving reduces wear and tear on your engine, transmission, and brakes. Don't ride your brakes downhill. Let gravity do its thing. Also, give your car time to warm up, especially in cold weather. This allows the oil to circulate properly and reduces engine stress. It is recommended to let your cold engine idle for about 30 to 60 seconds and then drive gently. Secret number 5, keep it clean inside and out. A clean car isn't just about looks. Dirt, bird droppings, and tree sap can damage your paint over time. Don't forget the undercarriage. It's a magnet for salt and grime. If you live in a place with snowy winters, road salt can wreak havoc on your car's frame. Regular washing and waxing protect your car's exterior from the elements. Bonus tip, document every maintenance and repair. This helps you stay on schedule and increases the car's resale value by showing you've taken good care of it. There you have it, folks. With these tips, you can keep your car running like new for years to come. A car that lasts forever isn't just about luck. It's about love, care, and a little know-how. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car care tips, and let me know in the comments. How many miles has your car clocked? Until next time, drive safe and take care.